So, Dad, what are we doing today?
Scouting for deer. Deer season.
Where are we scouting for deer?
We're scouting for deer along the canal system. We're going to go to camp, check out cameras, and pick up our blind from turkey. So a couple cameras up over there.
How many cameras do we have left?
3.
Looking for the optimal place to be able to watch some deer pass through. We are trying to find a good place for his cameras. That's what I have in my bag right here. We just found a couple tracks, but we want to try to see if we can get a better vantage point on the deer. Often when I'm in nature, I think about just the beauty of God in the simplest of things. Beauty of God in the mountains. Beauty of God in the rivers. Beauty of God in nature. Flowers and even blades of grass. It really just shows you how much God has intricately woven everything into existence. Everything is extravagant in complexity and in purpose, in connection with everything else, and how we delight in the things that God created. And in this song I was writing, did you think of me when you made the mountains? Did you think of me when you created rain? Was it your intention to make me smile in the creation of these things? And to think about David, Psalm 27:4, that I may dwell in the house of the Lord all of my days of my life, to see his beauty and to inquire in his temple. And just to think how much more beautiful is the God who created the galaxies. How much more beautiful is the God who created the mountains. And this is what sustains us to follow the Lord day and night, to be able to contend for him in the day and night prayer. Finding beauty in the extravagance of what he's made. Finding beauty in the complexity of human life, the complexity of what he's done in the world. Often don't like going out into nature because I don't like unidentified things touching me. And when there's multiple unidentified things, it gets me paranoid. It's not always the best experience for me. And plus, Dad. And plus, it's my blood is O positive, which I don't know if this is accurate or not, but bugs seem to tend to cuddle up next to me pretty frequently.
I have O positive.
They like to spin around me and hone in on their target, torment.
Look, Daddy, cut blood just for him, so Tyler wouldn't have to worry about it.
Gross, Dad.
Attract the bugs to me instead of him.
Now I'm demonetized, Dad. I just wanted to show you guys my dad's hunting camp. This is the camp that he goes to with his friends. He doesn't own it himself, but this is definitely something that he goes to often. Dad, hey, is that when the deer get him? I just got it act like a wild animal in a natural habitat. Easing up on the camera. Don't see no flashes of light yet. See, I often don't like going out into nature like I said before, but at least I get to spend time with my dad. That makes it worth it. Just a wild animal, Dad.
Yeah, but that works for catching any beast going that way.